Hey, crypto enthusiasts, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, there's always something new and exciting happening in the world of cryptocurrency. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our Crypto Deep Dives, where we explore the most promising tokens and trends in the market. Today, I'm diving deep into one of the most promising DeFi tokens of 2024, AAVE. This token has been making waves in the decentralized finance space, and for good reason. That's right, AAVE is showing some seriously bullish signs, and you don't want to miss out on this one. The potential for growth here is enormous, and it's catching the eye of many investors. Let's start with a quick refresher for those new to AAVE. Understanding the basics is crucial before diving into the more complex aspects. AAVE is a decentralized finance protocol that allows people to lend and borrow crypto. This means you can earn interest on your crypto holdings or borrow against them without needing a traditional bank. Think of it as the traditional banking system but on the blockchain. Sounds cool, right? Now let's talk numbers and see why AAVE is gaining so much attention. AAVE has been steadily climbing the charts. Its performance has been nothing short of impressive, reflecting its growing adoption and utility in the DeFi space. In the last month alone, it's seen a significant uptick in trading volume and price action. This surge indicates a strong interest from both retail and institutional investors. Analysts are predicting a breakout year for AAVE in 2024. Why? Because of its robust technology, innovative features, and strong community support. The AAVE community is one of the most active and supportive in the crypto space. This strong backing is crucial for the token's long-term success. But it's not just about the price. The protocol is built on a strong foundation that ensures its reliability and security. AAVE's fundamentals are rock solid. The protocol continues to innovate, adding new features that attract more users and liquidity. The protocol continues to innovate, adding new features that attract more users and liquidity. This constant evolution is what sets AAVE apart from many other DeFi projects. Recently, AAVE introduced its V3 upgrade, which promises to enhance efficiency and security. This upgrade is a game-changer, making the protocol more robust and user-friendly. These advancements make it a must-have in any serious crypto portfolio. If you're looking to diversify and strengthen your holdings, AAVE should definitely be on your radar. So what's driving this bullish sentiment? It's a combination of factors, including the booming DeFi market and AAVE's innovative approach to decentralized finance. For starters, the DeFi space is booming. More and more people are turning to decentralized finance for its transparency, security, and potential for high returns. More and more institutional investors are dipping their toes into decentralized finance, and AAVE is one of their top picks. This influx of institutional money is a strong indicator of AAVE's potential. With partnerships, new listings, and active development, AAVE is positioned to soar. The team behind AAVE is constantly working on new features and improvements, ensuring the protocol remains at the forefront of DeFi innovation. But hold on, before you rush to add AAVE to your wallet, remember that the crypto market is incredibly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in a short period, so it's important to be cautious. Always invest at your own risk and do thorough research. Understanding the market and the specific token you're investing in is crucial for making informed decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, just a fellow crypto enthusiast sharing some insights. My goal is to provide you with valuable information to help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest crypto news and analysis. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy investing. Remember, the world of crypto is full of opportunities, so stay informed and make smart choices.